Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. So if you're facing this error on your laptop or desktop, boot device not found, please install an operating system on your hard disk, and you can see the hard disk error code 3F0. So if you're facing this error on your laptop or desktop, in this video I will show you how to fix this issue completely, and I already created some videos about how to fix this error, but in the comment section so many people ask me how to fix if the legacy boot order or your legacy option is not available in BIOS option, or if they are tried everything but still getting the same issue. In this video I will share a step-by-step process to completely fix this error. So let's start with our first step. If you are facing this error, first shut down your laptop, press and hold the power key and shut down your laptop. Now run the hardware scan. So this will help you to check the hardware issue. So to check the to run the hardware scan in HP laptop, you can use this F2 key to open the diagnose mode. I will show you how to do it. Turn on your laptop and within a second start pressing this F2 key continuously like this. Okay, this will open HP PC hardware diagnostics. So open this screen. Now we are going to run the diagnostic scan. So for this, now you have two options: memory test or hard drive check. So go for the second option, hard drive check. Now there are two options, extensive or quick. So if you are facing this issue, go for extensive. Okay, and this will start checking your hard drive. Wait for few minutes. This will check your hard drive, and here you can see in the test my hard drive is passed, as you can see. So there is no hardware issue in my laptop. There means the hard disk in my laptop is totally fine. So there is no hardware issue. But if you see any kind of error like failed or like none, in that case there will be a hardware issue. In that case you have to replace your hard drive or you have to clean your hard drive. I will tell you how to clean your hard drive in the coming part of the video. So in my case, the issue has been passed. The hard disk check is passed. Now move on to the next step. Open BIOS option. So in HP laptop, press F10 key to open the BIOS menu. I will show you how to do it. First, turn off your laptop again. Press and hold the power key and shut down your laptop. After that, turn on your laptop and then start pressing this F10 key continuously, and this will open the BIOS menu. So this is a BIOS menu in HP laptop. Now go to this option, advanced. Click on advanced, then click on this option, boot options. Now scroll down and here you can see legacy boot order. Tick this option, enable legacy boot order in your BIOS menu, BIOS settings. Then click on save, then click on yes. Now go back to the main menu, and after that click on this option, save changes and exit. But if you don't have a legacy boot order option, in that case go for this option, search for this option, apply factory default settings. Okay, you can select this option as well. If the legacy boot order option is not available in your laptop, go for this option. Click on save changes and exit. Click on yes. Now wait, your laptop will restart. And if you are still getting the same issue or your hard disk scan is failed, in that case you have to check your hard drive physically. I will show you how to do it, and you can see the issue has been resolved. Now my Windows is properly working. Now move on to I forcefully shut down my laptop and I will show you how to check your laptop hard drive physically. So first I will shut down the laptop. Now open the back panel of your laptop. Okay, so this is a screw I have in my laptop. So open your laptop from back side, and here you can see this is my hard drive. Okay, so I will unplug my hard drive. So this is the hard drive I have. Now if there is any carbon or dust in your hard drive, take a eraser, this kind of eraser, and rub in the golden parts. As you can see in the golden plates, rub in the golden plates if you see any kind of carbon or any kind of dust in your hard drive. So clean your hard drive, okay, with the eraser, and after that reinstall your hard drive. Okay, reinstall your hard drive. So if your hard drive scan is failed, in that case you have to check your hard drive physically. So remove your hard drive, then clean your hard drive, and after that install the hard drive again like this. Now fix the cover. Okay, that's it, and this will fix the error. So these are the steps you can try to fix if you are getting this kind of boot device not found error. This is all for the video. Thank you.